Part of keeping ourselves healthy is our ability to prevent germs or pathogens like viruses and bacteria from growing and replicating inside of our cells. And in most parts of our body, you can think of our cells as being squished together like this, like neighbors in adjoining houses, able to share resources or information. Now, you can imagine that if viruses or bacteria were to infect a cell, it would be fairly easy for them to spread to the adjoining cells. And our cells have a few ways of combating this. One of those is by the molecule interferon. And interferon is made by an infected cell and spreads to its neighboring cells to tell them that something bad is coming in to prepare. Now, the molecule that I work on, ISG15, is one of the most common molecules found in cells that are exposed to interferon. So think of it as like the most common thing for you to do when a neighbor tells you that something bad is coming and to get ready. But we don't really know what that most common thing is. Is it maybe changing the cell-to-cell interactions or essentially locking the doors? Or is it maybe getting a baseball bat to hit the intruder with by directly inhibiting viral or bacterial replication? Or maybe it's calling the immune cells like one would call the cops to come and clear the infection or danger. Now in our lab, we use cells that either have or don't have ISG15. And we see that when you don't have ISG15, there's an increase in pathogen spread and infection. But this could be because of any number of these three. My thesis work is focused primarily on this immune cell recruitment branch. And we see that when we don't have ISG15, there are different immune cells that are being recruited to sites of infection. And this is apparently leading to the increase in pathogen spread that we're seeing. We hope that by understanding how ISG15 is calling these cop-like immune cells, we'll be able to create a therapeutic that could increase our cells' ability to call specific immune cells more efficiently, thereby clearing infections faster and keeping us safe.